Pick a Pacific franchise? You've been doing plumbing for a long time, electric. You know, why didn't you stick with that? Why'd you come over to Pacific?
Well, tell you the truth, I had a few options of starting a new business of other trades, which I already knew. But Pacific impressed me with the professionalism, with the way that everything is set up, with the websites, with servemen, with the team backing up the call center. Everything is already prepared for us, made easy. So all we have to do really be good at it and go out there and do an excellent job and customer satisfaction and service. And everything else is backed up by the name. Pacific name is a good name, everybody knows it. We don't have to start from scratch from a company that nobody knows. And that what really lured me into it, and I found out that all that is true, that it is a good company, it's all a good name, and all we have to do just promote and keep up the good name, and I think we will do okay.